10:56 and they literally about halfway finished. So what they're doing right now is just smoothing. And then they'll dry, gotta wait till it dry.